Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can share the Google Photos link with the others. So before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open the Google Photos and then you need to select the photos you want to share the link of. You can also select the multiple pictures by tapping in it, and here on the bottom left of the screen you will see the share option. Tap in it. Here you will see create link next to the nearby share. So the link has been copied and you can share it to any app you would like to. Beneath that you can see the apps option. You can also tap on more to see other more apps you can share the link to. So tap on more, and here is WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, Facebook and many other apps. Just choose any one of those. Once you tap on WhatsApp, you will be access to this page where you can just scroll down and select any one of the contacts you would like to and send the link to that user or to that application. So this is it guys. Thank you.